In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Read Out Loud in Adobe Reader. So to do this, you want to open up your document, then you want to go to the top left and click on View, and then at the bottom it says Read Out Loud. When you hover over it, you want to simply click on Activate Read Out Loud. You could also use the keyboard shortcuts next to them over here. It's going to work just as well, but I'm just going to click over here to show you what it does. And then whenever that's activated, you can basically click anywhere where you want to read, and it's going to read that portion. So for example, if I click on this part up here,
Video tutorial sample document resource for screen recording and demonstration.
there we go. As you're able to hear, of course, it's going to start reading. So you can do this with any section of text. You could do it like that.
Introduction to this.
There we go. I can go and just highlight it.
This document is designed as a high
There we go, as
fidelity
you can see, and it's
placeholder
going
for
to go
video.
and basically read that,
Introduction to
okay?
this.
There we go. And if you want to deactivate this, you can go to View up top, Read Out Loud, and then deactivate it, okay? So, of course, whenever you click in, it's not going to read anymore. But if you want to read like entire pages, you can do that too. So activate Read Out Loud. Go to Read Out Loud. You can do Read this page only, which is going to read the entire page you're currently on. Or you could just go to the beginning of your document and you can click on Read to End of Document, and it's going to read the entire document out loud for you, okay? So that's how this works. That's how to use Read Out Loud. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.